Welcome to Vima. India and Nepal are engaged in a war of words over India's road to Lipulekh Pass. This dispute of territory between these two countries are decades old. Let us see about both these countries' territorial dispute. India and Nepal have two border disputes, one at Kalapani territory and the other at Susta territory. The Kalapani territory is an area under Indian administration in the Uttarakhand state, but it is also claimed by Nepal. Susta is administered by Nepal as part of Susta rural municipality. It is claimed by India under Bihar state. Indian and Nepal border were finalized more than 200 years ago according to a treaty of Sugali. This treaty was signed in the year 1816 by British East India Company and Nepal based on Kali River and Gandak River. Disputed territory, Susta is located on the eastern side of the Gandak River. Nepal claims the area a part of West Nawalparasi district, whereas India claims Susta a part of West Chambaran district of Bihar. According to Sugali Treaty signed in the year 1816, the Gandak River is the international boundary between both Nepal and India. During that time, eastern part of the river belongs to India and western part of the river belongs to Nepal. At the time of treaty, Susta village was west to the river. Over the years, the Gandak River changed its course. Susta moved to east side of the river, that is now on the Indian side of the river. So, India claims Susta village under Bihar state. Coming to the Kalapani territory, the Kali River forms the boundary between India and Nepal in this region. Here, the border runs along the watershed. According to the Sugali Treaty, river is the western border of Nepal. But Nepali says in 1865, British shifted the border near Kalapani. So, border is not in Kali River. In 1947, India acquired independence from British. In the year 1950, Nepal and India entered into a treaty of peace and friendship for mutual security alliance. Since then, Kalapani territory continued to be shown as part of Indian administration. Still, the origin of the Kali River has been a disputed claims between India and Nepal. India says Kali River originates at a small pond near the temple of Kali, whereas Nepal says the river is originating at Kalapani or below the Limbiadura region. India-Nepal relationship over border issues were not much spoken, as they are one of the good two-way trade partners. Lipulekh Pass in the northern side of the Kalapani territory were opened for trade every year from June to September. Lipulekh Pass links the Beans Valley of Uttarakhand, India with the Tibet Autonomous Region of China. 2014, India and China using this pass as an additional official border personnel meeting between Indian Army and People's Liberation Army of China. India-China-Nepal border tri-junction was on the divisory line of the Kali River watershed along this Lipulekh Pass. Indian Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the 80-km strategic road from Darchula to Lipulekh on May 8th for Manasarovar Yatra route. At present, the travel to Kailas Manasarovar takes around 2 to 3 weeks through routes in Sikkim and Nepal. Following his inauguration, Nepalese government showed their strong protest against the road construction towards Lipulekh Pass. Indian Army Chief General M.M. Naravan says that there is no dispute between India and Nepal on Lipulekh Pass. He also hints that at the behest of someone else, Nepal are raising their issue over road construction. Since last 2 days, Nepal's armed police force begins patrolling at disputed border point with India. This is for the first time Nepal's armed police force patrolling the Indian border. Nepal's President Bidya Devi Pandari says Nepal would issue new political map. Lipulekh, Limpiadara and Kalapani are an integral part of Nepal. Also, Nepalese government will take concrete diplomatic steps to reclaim their territories. Everyone is behind. Who is that someone? which is insisting Nepal against India. There is a hint that someone who is instigating Nepal could be China. Why China? That is the question to be answered. The same China only signed a deal with Pakistan few days back to construct a dam at Pakistan occupied Kashmir of India. Is China threatening India indirectly over border issues? Why? Is it to stop Taiwan from entering World Health Organization? Just 2 more days for World Health Organization meeting. We can wait and watch. Thank you for watching Vima.